Our Valley Skycam with a view across the NDSU campus. There's the Fargo Dome. It's been a busy pro day there, and the weather's flying high. Welcome to all you visitors in town, and temperature quite nice today, 50 gorgeous degrees, and the wind not too bad yet. I expect it to be increasing a little bit across the region, and current temperatures holding at 50 degrees in Valley City, in Oaks, and in Grand Forks. 45 in Detroit Lakes right now, a degree cooler in Bemidji, and 45 in Roseau. Pleasant conditions across the board. As we take a look at the radar, though, clouds are building out to the west and a little bit of rain shower activity drifting along the international border. Not all of this is making it down to the ground, but there will be a chance of a sprinkle in your neck of the woods up north, Langdon, through the Cavalier area into Pembina, and eventually off into northwest Minnesota is where the best chance of some sprinkles will be. Another round heading towards Towner County. The big storm system that dumped 2 to 3 feet of snow in the mountains of Colorado through Nebraska, Iowa, southern Minnesota is now taking aim on the East Coast with a line of snow changing to showers and thunderstorms in the Gulf Coast states. Winnipeg, some flakes, and we're enjoying some quiet weather in between the next one. We'll call that the little storm. That's going to make its way through tomorrow, and it means different conditions across our viewing area. For our northern counties this evening, though, if you're out and about, temperatures cool off gradually. The clouds will slow how fast we cool. Many of us staying in the 40s for the better part of the evening. Hit and miss sprinkles along the international border. As we go towards your midday hour on Friday, heading out for lunch, well, if you're in the northern half of our viewing area, say north of Highway 200, there will be a chance of snow. Temperatures will be brisk in the 20s and 30s, and some of the snow could even already start to accumulate, at least a dusting to a half of an inch on grassy areas. And as we go through the midday hours, we'll take a look at where this snow goes. Now, it stays to the north of the FM area, but Grand Forks, Thief River, all the way out to Baudette and northern Beltrami County, some snow, maybe even a little more out in the Jamestown area as well. 30s north, 40s south. Let's see if this holds off and lets us warm up as nice as we are today in Fargo-Moorhead. Yep. Near 50 degrees once again in the afternoon. We'll see a chance for some sprinkles of rain making their way in, and as we head toward the night hours, that changes over to a little bit of snow with more rain pushing in from the south. A little bit of a valley sandwich, if you will. North winds will be gusty into the evening. After much of the day, we'll see winds from the south, and it does look like temperatures climb out of the 30s. Once again, we're going to peak near 50 degrees in Fargo on your afternoon drive home, but it changes for the evening. Don't plan a barbecue. It looks cold throughout the afternoon up north, 30s and low 40s at best. Sisseton, the snow chance will get down to you as well as we head into the latter portion of our Friday night and into Saturday morning. A trace to a dusting for many locations, up to an inch, maybe 3 inches in an isolated location or two in Stutsman County and along the international border of northwest Minnesota, but it gets better. And we will have a cool start with maybe a few remnant flakes on your Saturday morning, 39 in the afternoon with increasing amounts of sunshine. That sets up an absolutely beautiful Easter weekend on Sunday, 51 degrees, and it just keeps getting better. If you're here visiting with the NFL, you may want to set up camp and hang around till Tuesday. It'll be a breezy 61 after that. We'll have some more spring-like whiplash weather to round out the work week, Mike.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome.
A major day at the Fargo Dome as North Dakota State hosts Pro Day. Beth Houle has the latest from the Bison. Up next, what's going to lower emergency response times to a certain part of Grand Forks.